Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to transfer, maybe gift a vehicle to maybe your daughter or son, your cousin, your niece, nephew, sister-in-law, whoever you want to give your vehicle to. But the first form you're gonna need is this form right here. It's the form 14-317. And you can download this from the website in Texas, the DPS. I'm gonna put the link below in the description. But what it's called is called the Affidavit of Motor Vehicle Gift Records. Only thing you have to do is you can either print this out or you can just go in here and start typing like Harris County, and you put the year and model of the vehicle, the make, the VIN number. And what you want to do is go down here and check. So we're going to look down here who we're going to give this to. I'm going to give it to a child. So you're going to check the box who you're going to give it to. You go down, you the donor. So you put your name. So you can just type it in here. You put your address and phone number. And if it's two donors, like if it's me and my wife, she would have to put her name. But say just the vehicle is titled in my name, you just go through and put all your information. The next thing you want to do is get this notarized. As you can see down here, you got to get this affidavit notarized. And then the recipient, I'm going to give it to my daughter. So you type your daughter and you can put her address, phone number. I would recommend just typing this out instead of printing it out. It's easier. So you can just print all this stuff out. And that recipient, whoever it is, like my daughter or son, they have to also get it notarized. So, and it gives you instructions, and you can call your DPS office. I called the Austin office and they told me this form I would need to fill this out. And this one is pretty simple. But then you will also need to fill out this form right here. It's the 130U application. It says application for Texas title or registration. So this one is a little longer. So you just go through and you check what you want to do. Title and registration. You go put the VIN number, the make, model. So you fill out all this stuff in blue. And you go on down and you keep filling it out. And it's going to ask you what you want to do. And you want to check this box here. It's saying you're going to pay $10 for this. You're gifting it to someone. So you only pay $10. So you don't have to pay that person. And it's not you that's filling it out. It's the recipient who is receiving the vehicle. It's going to fill out this form right here. So they're going to have to fill this out as a gift. The only thing they have to do is pay $10. They don't have to pay the tax, title, and license right here, the 6.25. Plus, you're going to have to pay this. It's a $25 or $33 application fee for the Texas title. So you're going to end up paying, I say approximately maybe $38, $40, maybe $42. It depends. So just get ready to pay $50 to get this done. Then you want to get it signed and print your signature. Sign it and print your name. And this right here gives you the instructions. And if you need any help, you can call this number right here in Texas. I called it yesterday and they were very helpful. They picked the phone up right away. That's a toll-free number. You can just call this 512 right into Austin. Once you fill that out, make sure you got, some ID and stuff. You go to the DPS office and you take the title with you. Like I'm the original owner of the title. I'm giving this to the recipient. So they're going to have to go in and get all of this stuff filled out. And they will help you down there at the DPS office if you have any questions. Like this is for the tax office use only. So these are the two forms you need. Like I said, you need this form right here. It's the 14-314, the affidavit for motor vehicle gift transfer. So if you gifting it to somebody, this is the form you need. And you will also, the recipient, whoever's getting the gift, need to fill this out and take this to the DPS office. And they will also need to take the title. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.